Hi, this is Paula Bernier. I'm in the TMC newsroom here at IT Expo in Los Angeles, and I'm talking to Glenn Johnson. He's the Senior Vice President of Marketing for Magic Software Americas. And Magic Software Americas is a cloud application platform provider. Welcome, Glenn.
Thank you very much. Nice to be here, Paula.
Can you give us a bit of background on the company, what it sells and to whom?
Absolutely. Magic Software Enterprises is a global provider of application platforms and integration software solutions for customers in more than 50 countries worldwide. We're traded on the NASDAQ stock exchange under the ticker symbol MGIC.
Okay, and tell us a little bit about how you see cloud computing and the whole cloud phenomenon impacting enterprise customers.
Well, absolutely. Magic Software has been very involved with our customers for more than 25 years in terms of developing applications, both corporate enterprise-based applications that have proprietary value to those organizations, as well as with software companies who have applications usually in specialized vertical areas or in a horizontal niche type of solution. And we work with those companies for years to provide traditional software applications, but over the last several years, people have been moving more and more to the cloud model, where they have the ability to deliver their solutions to customers anywhere through rich internet applications capabilities that are a part of our Unipass application platform.
And you like to talk about something called the Ambient Enterprise. What does that mean, and why should enterprises be interested?
Well, it's really important for people to look at the enterprise as a whole and not just at their isolated pieces of software. And so what we do is we provide through the iBolt integration suite the ability to integrate software, to be able to connect application to application. Well, in today's market, in today's environment, we see the advance of social media creating this ongoing conversation out there in the internet. And we have customers who, of course, are constantly saying things about our companies and products, and enterprises want to know how can they deal with all of that ambient noise, all of that communication that's taking place. And through an integration suite, you're able to actually connect the information that's taking place outside of your organization, as well as the constant conversation that takes place in a dynamic corporation, and bring all that information into your traditional enterprise applications like CRM and like ERP systems for accounting and financial management and planning.
We're seeing three important trends kind of going on right now: cloud computing, social networking, and also just the connectivity and connected devices. How do these different trends intersect?
Well, it's very true, because what we're seeing is not only do people need to connect application to application, and do they need to connect applications with their customers and all of that ambient noise that's taking place through social media, but also there's the idea that via the internet we can actually connect to things, to objects, to products that need to be tracked as they're being shipped. And we talk to customers all the time who are doing very innovative things like keeping track of food safety through sensors and through RFID and through global positioning systems and real-time location systems. And so all of this creates an enormous amount of metadata, and you really need a tool and a capability to work with those things in a way that allows you to avoid programming, because the typical response in an IT department is, well, let's just write a program to solve that problem, to connect all of this together. But when you start doing that with millions of things, I mean, each of us probably has 5,000 to 10,000 objects surrounding our life. And as more and more of those, like our keys and our identity cards and other devices, start to have little chips in them that identify them, that's just too much to track and too much to manually program for. So you need a higher level, more sophisticated way of configuring those solutions in an enterprise, rather than trying to do all of that work on a one-off basis, connecting each new software application or each new set of things and products one at a time through manual programming.
Okay, great. Well, it was very interesting talking to you today, Glenn. Thank you very much. And this is Paula Bernier in the TMC newsroom signing off.